loves, welcome to my channel. How you doing? My name is Luisa. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful blue eyeshadow makeup look using our Blue Moon eyeshadow palette. I believe it's more of like a winter blue really, but it's so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's begin. For the first step, we're going to be using this beautiful color right here called adapte. And we're going to be using a crease brush or a medium-sized fluffy brush to put this all over the crease of our eyes. I'm sorry I could not record it. I don't know what happened. It did record and then my battery died, so I guess it didn't record properly. But yes, that is the first step. For the next step, yes, do not worry, everything else has been filmed. But we're going to be using this beautiful color that you see here called Billie Jean, and we're going to be applying this all over our lids. Now I know this is usually out of the ordinary for me. I don't really do things in this order, but I decided to kind of mix it up a bit, and I ended up turning out really beautiful. So yeah, please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Oh yes, and one more thing, please do not forget, we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this color. You do not need any setting spray. It packs on greatly onto the brush and then amazingly onto the eyes as well. One quick tip, something that I do is like to blow off the excess product off of the brush. It just helps me to make sure that there's not too much fallout as I'm applying this onto my eyelids. Also, I'm sure you've already seen this, but here I'm using the case of one of my falsies eyelashes. Basically, the back part of it, of these Ardell lashes, is really just kind of like cardstock paper or even like a postcard type material. You could use an envelope if you don't have anything. It really just helps catch the fallout. Here, quickly, I'm just using a quick giant fluffy brush, also known as a blush brush, to wipe away any of the fallout onto my cheeks. On to the third step, we're going to be using this beautiful color you see here called Mad About You, and we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this all over the outer V of our eyelids. So yes, this is usually my second step in any makeup tutorial, but in this case it'll be the third, and you'll see why. I like to build it up. And I really just wanted it to blend more like a blue purple, like I said, wintry blue. Welcome again. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please note that during my makeup tutorials I tend to do normal speed throughout the video for one eye, and then the other eye you'll see it rapidly speed up. It's just because what I do on one eye I do on the other. So yeah, that's just obvious, and I just want to make that comment in there, and then welcome again. Time to blend. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. Look, I don't care what makeup look you're trying to accomplish, but blending is key. It is probably the most important thing you could ever do in any eyeshadow look, because you don't want it to look choppy. You want it to run smoothly. All the colors blend well with each other, and you'll see what I mean. Like I said, I don't care if it takes you 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hour. Please do not skip this step. For the fourth step, we're going to be applying adapte again on the crease of our eyes. This is just because I wanted it to really blend in with Mad About You. As much as I love Mad About You, I didn't want it to be too blue. I want it to be more of the purple blue effect that you'll see. And just for blending, as well as the crease color, or the color that I'm putting back on my crease again, you can use any sort of medium-sized fluffy brush to blend this out. See, I just had to jump in here and make the quick comment. You see how it turns into like a purplish blue? I freaking love it, and I hope you do too. To the next step. So for this next step, we're going to be applying the same colors to the lower lash line. Which same colors, you may ask? So first we're going to apply Dabadi using a small flat brush or a small rounded brush, and again apply this all over the lower lash line for both eyes, of course. The next color that we'll be applying will be Billie Jean, using another clean small brush, but you can also use the same color that we, or not the same color, the same brush that we used to apply it on the lid. You see me here also applying it onto the lid. I just wanted to add a bit more because I liked the sparkle and I feel like the blue faded it out, so I just want a little bit more on the lid, and then you'll see me here apply it to the lower lash line as well. Already know, wipe away any fallout with a big fluffy brush. Again, please make sure it's clean and that you haven't, there's no product on it. For the final step, we're going to be applying this color right here that you see, Lumi. You can use a cotton swab or a small rounded brush to apply this to the inner corner of each eye. I think this illuminates the look and really completes the look. Lumi is really a funny color because it looks white on the palette when you get it, and also even here on the screen, but it has a bit more of like a blue, a really soft blue tint to it, which I just think makes it beautiful. So yeah. And that's it for today. I hope you guys loved this makeup look as much as I did. This is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys think, any questions you may have, what looks you guys want to see next. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, take care. God bless. Bye. See you next time.